CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 23rd of June 2025. North Korea, Ri Hoon-ok, was arrested and severely punished for his church service. His worship is considered a threat to the state's ideology. He stands for his faith in great danger. Haler was killed in the name of honor, facing extreme cruelty, because he refused to convert to Islam. Islamic militant groups such as Al-Shabaab attacked Haler because of her Christian faith. Due to the ongoing conflict in Yemen and the presence of extremist groups, Christians are persecuted for openly practicing their faith. Aden was pressured to convert to Islam. His faith is a hidden light in the war-torn nation. Libya has seen a rise in Islamic extremism, which has seen refugees like Mala targeted for their Christian faith. They face torture, kidnappings, and their own collective attacks. Their vulnerability is exploited in a chaotic environment. David Lammy explains that the fight for resources is ongoing. Islamic extremists are killing local people who are Christians. They say that everything in the country is ours, and they want to drive the locals out. The government is targeting Christians with great cruelty. They are often arrested and kept in terrible conditions. Their confinement in shipping containers is an instrument of state control. Ephraim is going through this hateful process and is demanding justice. Michelle was a student in Nigeria. She was kidnapped, forced to convert to Islam when a ransom was not paid. Christians have been terrorized and are being kidnapped and ransomed in militant operations. In Burkina Faso, Christopher explains that Christians are being pressured to support the Islamic government that will rule all of Africa, to convert to Islam or be prepared to die. Pastor Ling Xian was imprisoned in a Chinese prison, and then subjected to so much mental and physical abuse that he became mentally ill, and he is still not being allowed to receive treatment. Romana says that she used to study in a Christian school in Bangladesh. When the situation in the country deteriorated, the school was closed. Now she is studying with Muslim children. They are urging them to convert to Islam. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.